Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Duzen with today's 3-Minute Health Talk. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about athlete's foot. You don't have to be an athlete to have athlete's foot. It's actually called tinea pedis, and it's an uncomfortable condition that's actually a fungal infection that typically causes itchiness between and around your toes. It creates scaly or cracked peeling patches of skin, dryness on the bottoms and the sides of the feet, and thick, ragged, or discolored toenails. Pretty sight, huh? And it's much more likely to affect men than women, and it thrives in a damp environment and thick, tight shoes. When your toes are pressed together, usually in the case of wearing shoes, it creates a warm, moist area between them that's extremely appealing to the fungus, and this causes athlete's foot. So it's very unpleasant to deal with, and it itches like crazy. So I'm going to give you a couple at-home tips to deal with this problem. Number one is rub on cornstarch. Take some cornstarch, use that because it absorbs moisture like nobody's business. If you broke down the cornstarch first into small pieces, the better, and it sucks out any moisture that may have been there. You'll need about half a cup of cornstarch, some warm water, mild soap, a clean soft towel, and an oven or stovetop as well. And what you'll do is preheat your oven to 325 degrees, pour half a cup of the cornstarch, or enough to cover both your feet when rubbed on, onto a plate, and then pop in the preheated oven. So bake this for a few minutes or until it takes on sort of a light brownish color, and then if you prefer, you can pour some cornstarch into a small cooking pot and heat on a stovetop briefly, stirring constantly until it browns slightly. Always keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn. And then rub that cornstarch on your feet and toes and leave it there for 5 to 10 minutes. And then you can brush it off with a clean towel. Wash your hands after applying and also after brushing off. Another good thing to do is just to let your toes breathe. So the key to remember is that a warm, soft, moist environment attracts these fungi. So go barefoot when you're in a moist environment or when you're at home, and or wear sandals and open-toed shoes. That also helps your feet to breathe. Another thing you can do is use a PVPI soak. It's povidone iodine, and it's more commonly known by its main brand name, which is betadine, and it's a chemical complex used to treat and prevent infection and wounds. So it's also used to treat and prevent skin infections, and it's also effective against bacteria. So it's really good with combating yeasts, molds, fungi, among other things. And you'll need some of this, a large bowl or basin, some warm water, a clean towel, and a hair dryer. So another thing what you can do with this basically is fill a bowl or basin large enough to comfortably soak your feet with a quart of warm water, and then add 2 capfuls of this PVPI. And then soak your feet 2 times a day for 20 minutes for a total of 40 minutes a day, and then make sure to dry them completely afterwards as well. Another thing to do is dunk your feet in hydrogen peroxide. It's really good for killing off bacteria, so soaking your feet can help clear up the athlete's foot. So you'll need 1 pint of 3% hydrogen peroxide, a gallon of clean distilled water, and a spray bottle, although this is more optional. So mix a pint of this 3% solution into 1 gallon of clean, lukewarm water, and then soak your feet for 20 to 30 minutes, morning and nightly, daily, as needed to clear up your athlete's foot. Let it dry and rinse off and dry completely. And make sure you're using 3% hydrogen peroxide. This is food grade, which is mainly what is sold in stores. More concentrated forms don't really equal wiping out the fungus any faster and actually could be harmful to your skin. As a matter of fact, they use 90% hydrogen peroxide to produce rocket fuel. So that's not what you really want on your feet. So hope this is useful, and check out our website, newhopechiropractic.com. Also our Facebook page, New Hope Chiropractic Clinic, for some more information. And hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.